Dear friends, today we'll discuss about the role of family and society in inculcating values. This is the chapter in human values and ethics. First of all, we will discuss about the role of family in inculcating values in children. The family and society is important in developing the moral values of a child. There is a close contact between the parents and children, which determine the personality of child. Family is the foundation on which values are built. Moral values like truthfulness, happiness, peace, justice are instilled in children's thoughts, feelings, and actions, and they function as ideals and standards that govern their action in their life. The value system practiced in the family become automatic to the young family member if they are taught moral values systematically. The family shapes the child's attitude towards people and society and helps in mental growth of the child and support his ambitions and values. Blissful and cheerful atmosphere in the family will develop love, affection, tolerance, and generosity. A child learns his behavior by modeling what he sees around him. Family plays a major role in helping a child socialize and has great influence and bearing on the progress of the child. Joint family system, the presence of elders in the family plays an effective role in social and moral development of the children. It will also help young generation of the family to imbibe human values and eradicate their negative mental tendencies when they are among elders. Children identify themselves with their parents, other family elders, and adopt them as their personal models for emulation and imitation. The behavioral problems are set correct only by the involvement of family in the child's life as they spend most of their time in adolescence with the parents. Family is the first social organization that provides the immediate proximity from which the kid can learn his behavior. Social standards and customs defined by a family provides the emotional and physical basis for a child. Values developed by a family are the foundation for how children learn, grow, and function in the world. These beliefs transmit the way of life a child lives and changes into an individual in a society. These values and morals guide the individual every time in his actions. Children turn out to be good persons because of the values taught and given by their family members. Ideas passed down from generation to generation make up family values, customs, and traditions followed and taught by the family leads to a disciplined and organized life. Family values help the child to stand strong on his views despite efforts by others to break through with opposing belief. A child has a strong sense of what is right and wrong and are less likely to become victims of deviant influences. Now we will discuss about the role of educational institutions in inculcating values mainly by schools and teachers. In schools, children are member of a small society and has a great influence on their moral development. Teachers serve as role model for students in school. They play a major role in shaping their ethical behavior. They play a major role in developing ethical behavior in children. General steps are these as follows. Accountability. The children should be encouraged to be accountable for their own actions and should learn to respect and treat others kindly. Role model. The teachers are the first role model to the children outside their family. When the children see the model showing concern for others, motivating them for their good deeds and cooperating and helpful with their academic issues, the children learns them by observing and imitate it with fellow peers. Helping. The children are taught basic morals and values in schools. They should be taught by emphasizing the idea through many activities, stories, and tales, which will encourage them to engage in more helping behavior. Appreciation. The teacher should appreciate the children for developing pro-social behavior, especially for any specific actions they have done to help others. So we can say the family and the educational institutions plays an important role in inculcating human values in a children. Thank